In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your list ID or audience ID in Mailchimp in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you're connecting Mailchimp to another app, setting up automations, using an API integration, or troubleshooting a connection between tools. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp, then sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Audience. This is where Mailchimp stores your contact lists and audience settings. After that, you'll want to open the audience options. To do that, click the three dots next to your audience name. This gives you access to additional audience settings and details. From the drop-down menu, click Audience Settings. On the Audience Settings page, you'll see important information for that audience, including the Audience ID. In Mailchimp, the Audience ID is the same thing many people refer to as the List ID. So if you were looking for either one, this is the value you need. You can copy it directly from here and paste it into whatever app, plugin, or integration you're setting up. If you're connecting Mailchimp to another platform, make sure you're using the correct audience, especially if you have more than one list in your account. It's easy to grab the wrong ID if you manage multiple audiences, so always double check the audience name before copying anything. And that's it. You now know how to find your list ID or audience ID in Mailchimp quickly and easily. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.